Hi, my name's Cole Padula and I'm from Cyberhaven. Today, we need to address this invisible gap. The browser is effectively turned into a double agent, and we need to discuss the architectural shift required to regain visibility without breaking your team's workflows. Let's replay that Salesforce scenario. When your sales rep copies customer info, Cyberhaven simply notes the event. Think of it as placing a digital sticky note on the data that says source equals Salesforce and classification equals restricted PII. This happens through lightweight OS-level instrumentation. When a user copies data, the agent captures the metadata from the source process, identifying the specific Salesforce tab rather than just the browser application. It quietly binds this lineage metadata to the clipboard content. This tag is resilient but unobtrusive. If the user pastes text into Excel, edits it, or reformats it, the lineage stays with it. The system understands that the transformed text still contains that core Salesforce information. When that user attempts to paste it into ChatGPT Atlas or Comet or Arc, the system checks the tag. It sees restricted PII moving to an unsanctioned browser or an unsanctioned generative AI application and can intervene in real time. This empowers you to write policies based on provenance, not guesswork. Instead of relying on complex pattern matching, you know data is sensitive because you know where it originated from. You can define simple, logical rules like data originating from our internal private GitHub repositories cannot be pasted into destinations of public generative AI. This allows for a much more granular, user-friendly policy. You can say pasting from Wikipedia to ChatGPT is fine because the lineage shows source public web, but you can also enforce never paste from Salesforce into an unmanaged location. You move from a blunt blocking model to a precision approach that targets only risky behavior. To get this visibility, you pair network tools with a lightweight browser extension. This captures the intent: copy, paste, edit, upload, download, before encryption. It's the difference between seeing a car on the highway and understanding the driver's destination. The result is a massive reduction in false positives and alert fatigue. Instead of a generic alert saying user sent data, Lineage tells you user attempted to paste Project Alpha blueprints from SharePoint into Gmail. The intent is clear, the origin is verified, and the risk is managed without disrupting the team. The browser is your new operating system and your biggest leak risk. Static file-based rules cannot secure this dynamic environment. Cyberhaven provides total visibility through data lineage. We don't guess based on patterns, we know origin and we know destination. This allows you to block risky behaviors like pasting code into a public agent without blocking the tool itself. Stop the leak, not the work. You cannot secure an environment you haven't scoped. While you plan official AI policies, users have already deployed an unmanaged stack that they prefer. The question is simple: how much data is leaving your organization right now through unmonitored channels? If you want to hear more information like this, click on to the next video.